Hey guys, it's me Saja. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do this 3D pastel rainbow design. So if you are interested in seeing that, please keep watching. I first started off with a peel off base coat because I'll be using gel product, so it will be easier for me to remove the mani without damaging my natural nails. And you wanna make sure that your peel off base coat is completely dry before applying a gel base coat. I'll always prefer to have this extra layer of gel of base coat on top of the peel off base to protect my nails from staining, especially if I am using regular nail polishes. Then I went on and applied two thin layers of this yellow pastel shade from Rosalind and cured in between. Then I applied a no wipe gel top coat and cured for 30 seconds. Then I'll be using this stamping plate from Beauty Big Bang to have the basic design, and the stamping polish I'll be using is from Born Pretty Store. These are the two images that I used. I also wanted to let you guys know that I do have 10% discount codes from both Born Pretty Store and Beauty Big Bangs. I leave the codes on the screen and in the description box. And then you want to apply liquid latex around your cuticles before you start stamping the images on your nails. After that, you just peel off the liquid latex from around your cuticles and do some cleanup and apply a gel top coat. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. So far, this is how my nails look. I could have stopped here, but honestly I wanted to make it more complicated, and these are the gel polishes I'll be using. I got this kit from AliExpress, and I'll leave the link in the description box, as well as all of the products I used in this video. Now to the difficult part, to use a nail art brush to fill in all of the yellow parts without going over top of the black lines. I started off with the baby blue shade from the Rosalind kit I showed you. Unfortunately, these polishes don't have names, they only have numbers, so the number of this baby blue shade is 55. And if you made any mistakes, go on with a cleanup brush and some nail polish remover and fix it. This is why you want to do this section by section, because if you did your whole nail first, you will make mistakes and it will look bad. Then you will have to redo everything from the beginning. This is what I did with my pointing finger, and I had to peel it off and redo everything from the beginning. Then I'll be using this clear acrylic powder from Born Pretty Store, and you want to do this step before curing. Please don't cure before you do this step. You want to pour a little bit of the powder on top of the shiny part of the design you just did, and tap off the excess powder. Then cure under your lamp for 60 seconds. After that, after curing, dust off all of the excess powders, and this is how it should look. Here I just wanted to show you an example of the mistake I did. I did my whole finger before applying the powder and in curing, and I tried to go on and fix it with some black polish, but it just didn't work, and I just peeled it off and redid it again. and that's why I prefer to use a peel off base coat when I work with gel polishes, because it's just easier for me to peel everything off and redo it again without having to soak it off for 15-30 minutes and redoing everything again. And now I'll do the same step with all of the other polishes, and that's basically it. I know that this will take much more time than it will when you do this like for once, then apply the powder and cure it for once, but honestly it's just better to take more time in doing this than working on this hard, than doing one mistake and having to redo everything again from the beginning, especially if you didn't use a peel off base coat and you will have to soak everything off and redo everything from scratch. It's a little bit tricky to work with the yellow shade because I used the same yellow as my base color, but yeah, it was a little bit tricky. And I have to say that this design is much more easier to do than the other design I used. The other one was more tricky than this one. And we are finally done with this design. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what do you want to see more on my YouTube channel. I'll be posting a video every Wednesday. Here is my Instagram account. As you can see, I post a lot of swatches, nail art and video tutorials, so if you are interested you could follow me there, and I will follow back every nail art account. And yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and take care. Bye.